YouTube, back with another one, baby. I'm at another call meeting. Man, I had so much fun at the last one. I decided to bring y'all with me on this one too. Let's go see what we can see. Look. Come on, we about to walk through here, man. We all locked up in the car, man. We about to walk through here and see what we can see. See what all we can see. This here clean. 392 thing. 392 thing. I feel clean as a bitch. Got another one. Lights on this Mustang thing right here. They're clean. And walk through this door, see what we can see, baby.
I ain't got nowhere to go. I shot up everyone they would. I know who took this shit from you. Come get it back in good.
Yeah, I think we late, man. We were probably been supposed to be at this bitch. Cutting up in the shit. See if we get a better spot, man. Go try to see what we can see down here. Oh, look like the police about to shut it down. Look, a lot of them niggas leaving already. Shut this bitch down. Oh, look like we're a little too late. Shit, they just shut this bitch down. They trying to shut this bitch down, but I'm about to walk through this bitch. What's wrong for that little B6 doing that? I'm about to walk through this bitch, see what I'm doing. You go. What's up, man? Louisiana in this bitch, man. 1500 gang, dope, man. Fuck with my boy, bro. Yeah. You ain't got no YouTube, anything? Instagram? Shout that bitch out. Shout that bitch out. What else?
Shout out my boy. Shout out my Instagram, Country Boy Lifestyle. Come follow me. Big T, wherever you see this at right here, you know this me all day, every day. Let me go and get a rundown here. We got the 6 on 7 on G13 with the cataracts on that bitch. You feel me? Look, right here, if you ain't give me what I got on this motherfucker, Country Boy Lifestyle, get at me, you feel me?
That's him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Texas edition, big boy.
Come, bro. I don't know, I guess everybody going downtown.
Put me on that bitch, man. Shout yourself out. Look at it on the back of my shirt, baby. CTV thing, that bitch nasty. That bitch nasty. The Mustang thing, Mustang thing, clean as hell. I want to get that boy around. That boy got a nice ass route. Check him out. Follow him on YouTube. Him and his Instagram. My bad boy got a nice ass route. Mustang thing. The Mustang Sally or something, huh? Camaro thing. I need to go the other way. Fuck, I ain't scared of no police, man. Don't worry about them boys. You gotta catch me. BMW thing, I like that. I ain't got nothing on me anyway. I ain't worried about this. I ain't illegal. Shit. Police right now, though. I can tell you that. Hey, get away from that boy. That boy right there, I see this. I ain't lying, they got a lot of V6s out here cutting up though. A lot of little V6 things.
I'm on the second side, so like I'm like.
Come towards the end. Appreciate it.
You gonna act like you want to clown for the camera. Let me see. Let me see, sir. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Oh, all right. Act like you want to cut up in. Oh well, that ain't too, man. I tried to catch some footage, man. I don't know if I'm gonna have to look and see what I got, cause I don't even know. Definitely up. Man, the last spot we was at, that bitch got shut down. So man, I tried to hurry up and make it over here, man, and try to get y'all some good old footage, man. But look like the law about to shut that bitch down. Let's see what we grab over. Come on. That bitch clean. I'm about to try to go crowd this bitch. That boy, that clean too with them lights on that bitch. Great, man. Rolly, don't. Oh, look at that boy on that Chevy thing. That box Chevy thing. Okay. Come, bro. Monte Carlo thing. LS. Okay. Look at that Mustang thing. Mustang Sally. I ain't lying. Mustangs been catching my eyes lately, bro. Yeah, they about to try to shut something down. That Mustang. Boy, that's nice. That Chevy thing, huh, bro? Chevy thing. Walk right there. Shut everything down, man. They're trying to shut this little spot right here down. So I don't know if I'm gonna get too much footage. You know, I got Big Cuz with me. Yeah, you see Big Cuz, huh? Big Cuz saw the last video, like, boy, I'm coming with you to this one, boy. I wanna see. Look. Hey, Cuz, hey, hype. I'm gonna put that last video up here so y'all can go back and watch it to make sure, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. You know I'm always repping. I'm always repping. Always repping, baby. Always repping. I'm gonna flip this camera around and see if I can get some footage for y'all though. footage. Ain't really too much going on, so I'm gonna keep recording, keep trying to get y'all something, keep y'all up on game and stuff like that. Yeah, you know, just I'm gonna keep showing y'all everything I can show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Keep putting it how I can put it. Anything to make y'all views, you know, make y'all love what I'm doing, man. I'm out here working hard, man. I'm talking about working hard, man. I'm supposed to be in my bed sleep. I gotta get up in the morning and open the shop up, man. I'm out here late night, you know, trying to get a little footage for y'all, man. Working, hard working, man. Hard working. You know, I keep my head on the swivel, you know, that's why I can't really focus in on the camera, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna talk to y'all and keep it up here. But I gotta pay attention to my surroundings. I am in the streets of BR in Baton Rouge. I gotta pay attention to these surroundings, you know what I'm saying? They can go down there anytime. You better be safe. You better be safe out there. You out there, y'all, anything. If you from Baton Rouge and you seeing this video, man, let me know. Hit down in the comments or something. If you liking how this video going so far, man, get down in the comments, man. Let me know, man. Let me know, man. Let's see. Look, they over there going dumb. They going dumb. They about to turn it into a real party in a second, though. Watch. I'm talking about a real party. They about to say forget the car show because the police don't want to let us do great. So they about to make it a real car show. Watch. A real party. I mean, look. I tell you what though, I see the police starting to pull off a lot too. They done got it calm. They done pulled off. Look, that one leaving over there. Did wanted that truck right there. That's a bad truck right there, boy. Police bad. Oh shit, ain't nothing we can do. I can't go nowhere. Boy, the lightning. That's what I'm talking about. That's a bad truck right there, boy. I like that, boy. See if he gonna get loose in there. Get loose. Let me see something. There you go. I wanted to see that. I ain't lying.